great pleasure and enthusiasm that I stand before you today to introduce our group documentary on marine archaeal database. As a collective effort, we have made an insightful documentary that will help to know more clearly about this matter. There are 8 members in our group. I am the first member. My name is Sadia Yasmin, student ID 200310. My part is database and biological database. At first, I will talk about database. A database is an organized collection of structured data that is stored and managed electronically. It is designed to efficiently store, retrieve, and manipulate a large amounts of data. Databases are used in various applications and industries to manage information effectively. Now I will talk about biological database. A biological database is a collection of biological information. Biological database includes genetic expressions, protein sequences, gene profile expression, and biomedical literature and so on. That was my part. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I am talking about marine archaea. Marine archaea are a group of microorganisms that belong to the domain archaea and inhabit various marine environments including ocean, estuaries and deep sea sediment. Archaea are one of the 3 domains of life distinct from bacteria and eukaryotes, and they exhibit unique biological and genetic characteristics. Marine archaeal database. The marine archaeal database is a comprehensive repository of information. The marine archaeal database aims to collect and curate genomic, metagenomic, and ecological data related to marine archaea. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmoud Rashid, student ID 200312. Now I am describing about saline database in marine archaea. The first point of saline database in marine archaea is SILVA. The SILVA database contains taxonomic information for the domain of bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. It is based primarily on phylogenes for small subunit ribosomal RNAs. The SILVA is a comprehensive database for ribosomal RNA sequence, including those from marine archaea. SILVA is widely used for taxonomic assignment and phylogenetic analysis of marine archaeal sequence. The second point is integrated microbial genomes and microbiomes. The integrated microbial genomes and microbiomes is a resource that focuses on microbial genomes, including marine archaea. It provides access to annotated archaeal genome sequence, comparative analysis tools, and functional annotation. The third point is marine microbial eukaryote transcriptome sequencing project. Although marine microbial eukaryote transcriptome sequencing project is primarily focuses on marine microbial eukaryotes, it also includes a significant amount of archaeal data. The database hosts transcriptomic data from diverse marine environments and offer research passing and analyzing archaeal transcriptomes. The fourth point is marine microbial database or MBL. The marine microbial database is a collection of microbial and archaeal genome sequencing from various marine habitats. The database aims to facilitate research on marine microbial ecology and evolution.
I'm Iklima Shashwati, student ID 200313. Now I am describing about database for genomic studies. National Center for Biotechnology Information includes various resources for marine archaea. It offers access to sequence database like GeneBank and Sequence Read Archive, as well as tools for sequence alignment, taxonomic classification, and gene annotation. Marine Metagenomic Portal. This portal hosts metagenomic data sets from marine environments, including marine archaeal sequences. It allows researchers to explore and analyze metagenomic data related to marine archaea. Database related to ocean. Ocean Gene Atlas is an online resource that integrates metagenomic data from various oceanic environments. It includes data on marine archaea. The database allows users to explore and distribution and functional profiles of gene across different oceanic environments. Ocean Sampling Day is a global initiative that aims to capture a snapshot of microbial diversity in the world's ocean. Its initiative collects and provides access to metagenomic dataset from marine environment which can include archaeal sequences. That's all from mine. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm thrilled to stand before you to explore an exciting presentation that has been made by our group. I would like to express my gratitude and special thanks to our course teacher for giving us this platform to present Marine Archaeal database. As it is group-wise presentation, so I have to present my part. This is Mehdi Hassan, student ID 200315. My topics are Marine Archaeal database overview and construction of database. So here it is. We know various types of marine archaeal database exist. Among them, I only present two of them. So one of them is National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration National Centers for Environmental Information. So NCEI maintains extensive collection of marine data including information on oceanic and atmospheric conditions, coastal ecosystems and geological data. And the second one is Gene Bank. Gene Bank is mainly genetic database sequence. Gene Bank is mainly genetic sequence database maintained by NCBI. We know about NCBI. NCBI stands for National Center for Biotechnology Information. It contains vast collection of DNA and RNA sequence. Researcher can explore a gene bank to find genetic data related to marine archaeal species. So now I talk about construction of database. Construction of database mainly follows some procedure. So first of all, we have to collect some data from primary data sources. Then we have to curation procedure. After that, we have to open refine, then contextual validation, and then contextual databases. And these databases are stored in the marine metagenomics portal. After that, the users can get access from the portal. So this is all about construction of databases. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Shagotodhar Orgho. I am going to present the presentation on marine archaeal database, and my topics are the curation workflow for marine database and the purposes of marine database. First we talk about the marine database workflow. There is various steps which are followed for the final portal and the article, and which is uploaded to the internet. And the purposes of marine database. The main purposes of marine database is the gathering information about marine archaeal organisms that are found from the marine environments, and they serve some importance too, like data collection, knowledge consolidation, research support, comparative studies, taxonomic classification, and the conservation on environmental monitoring. So this is all my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Farhana Yasmin Sultana. Now I am telling about the application of marine archaeal database. There are so many applications. I can say some specific applications of marine archaeal database, such as taxonomic classification, bioprospecting, comparative genomics, environmental monitoring, evolutionary studies, then microbial ecology, and also its use for biogeochemical cycling. Then we can say firstly about the taxonomic classification. By using MAD, researcher can easily identify and classify different types of marine archaea. Then we can say about environmental monitoring. By analyzing the genomic data of MAD, researcher can assess the presence and abundance of specific marine archaea in different regions. Then we can say about comparative genomics. By using MAD, analyzing the genomic data, the researcher can compare genomic data with different types of archaea, and they also find out the different types of characteristics of different archaea. Then we can say about biogeochemical cycling. Marine archaea have possessed some different types of metabolic pathways, and by using MAD we can find out this, and we can find the speciality of their carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, and also sulfur cycle. Then we can say about the bioprospecting. We know that marine archaea have unique characteristics, and they also produce bioactive compounds. And we can know from MAD that there are so many bioactive compounds, and researcher can use these novel genes, enzymes, and another compounds in different types of industries. Then we can say about microbial ecology. By using MAD, we can find out the relationship between the ecological characteristics and relationship with another microorganisms. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Awzar Roshan Khan, student ID 2000318. My topic is these advantages of marine archaeal databases. Now I am going to discuss about that. Complexity. Marine archaeal databases can be complex due to the vast amount of data and the diverse nature of archaeal species. Managing and organizing this complexity can be challenging. Number 2. Scalability challenges. As the amount of data in the database grows, scalability becomes a concern. It may become difficult to efficiently store, retrieve, and analyze large volume of data. Number 3. Single point of failure. If the marine archaea database is hosted on a single server or system, it becomes single point of failure. Any issues with the server or system can result in the unavailability of the database. Number 4. Data redundancy. In some cases, marine archaeal database may suffer from data redundancy, where the same information is stored in multiple places. This can lead to inefficiencies in store and maintenance. Number 5. Learning curve. Working with marine archaeal databases may require a specialized knowledge and skill. Researchers and users may need to invest time and effort in learning how to navigate and utilize the database effectively. 6. Security and privacy risks. Marine archaeal databases may contain sensitive information such as genetic data or research findings. Ensuring the security and privacy of this data is crucial to prevent unauthorized access or misuse. Number 7. Performance bottlenecks. As the database grows and the number of users accessing it increases, performance bottlenecks may occur. Slow query response time or system slowdown can impact the usability and efficiency of the database. 8. Cost. Developing and maintenance a marine archaeal database can be costly. It requires resources for hardware, software, data storage, and ongoing maintenance and updates. Overall, while marine archaeal databases provide valuable resources for researchers and scientists, they also come with certain disadvantages. These challenges include complexity, scalability issues, single point of failure, data redundancy, learning curve, security risks, performance bottlenecks, and cost. Addressing these challenges is important to ensure the usability, reliability, and security of marine archaeal databases. In conclusion, a marine archaeal database serves as a valuable resource for researchers, scientists, and conservationists interested in studying marine archaea and their ecological significance. Number two, a marine archaeal database facilitates taxonomic classification, comparative genomics, and phylogenetic studies, enabling a deeper understanding of the evolutionary relationship, adaptation, and functional diversity of marine archaea. Number three, it also supports research in microbiology, ecology, biotechnology, environmental monitoring. Overall, a marine archaeal database is a valuable tool for advancing research, education, and conservation efforts related to marine archaea, ultimately promoting the sustainable management and preservation of marine ecosystems. So now we are at the end of the presentation. Thank you very much, everyone.